video. Stay on the side of the...
I'll put 2 in there.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Rosie?
Now
Rose?
remember, you have to push this little thing up.
Rose? Tight against your shoulder or it will hurt more.
Don't hold really tight. But you need your head a little bit forward. Pull the bolt back. It didn't...
Okay, now it loaded
You're
one.
ready to rock and roll.
Okay! That hurt.
You want to shoot one of the big ones?
Hell no!
Are you sure?
Have you watched any of mine? I don't want to lose my shoulder. Shotgun! No! Not fun.
Lots of fun!
Warning people on Facebook, shoot shotgun, lose shoulder. Have fun.
What do you think? Should I...
You don't
should
wanna